Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir, and I also thank the member for his question. Mr. Speaker, sir, Govind Park is well known to many soccer fans locally and internationally. Govind Park has hosted many soccer events, catering more than 13,000 spectators. Unfortunately, the strong winds of Cyclone Winston in February 2016 did not spare the 40-year-old pavilion. The two pavilions, A and B, sustained substantial damage as the strong winds tore apart the pavilion structures and the roof. Mr. Speaker, sir, the Bar Town Council engaged a consultant to carry out a preliminary assessment of the pavilions. The damage assessment report revealed that the steel and timber pavilion structures were in a very poor condition, and it will not be able to hold spectators during sports event. The report further provided that the pavilions are to be prohibited from any usage or public sitting. Based on the report, Bar Town Council had no other option but to consult the Ministry of Local Government and Ministry of Infrastructure to assist in the preparation and advertisement of a public tender to reconstruct Govind Park. On 22 January 2018, Bar Town Council signed a contract with the contractor to carry out the redevelopment of Govind Park. Mr. Speaker, sir, it is worth noting that from the years 2016 to 2020, the government has invested approximately $4.9 million towards this project. The funding has been used to pay for the assessment report, demolition of the two existing pavilions, rebuilding of the fence, and the construction of the new pavilion and associated structures. The pavilion structure has been completed in accordance to the scope of work. The specifics include a 9,000 seating capacity pavilion, 2 restrooms, 4 change rooms, 1 conference room, 2 dormitories, a corporate box, 2 media rooms, and 2 kiosk outlets. Mr. Speaker, sir, the COVID-19 pandemic had a huge impact on the project completion. Due to the COVID-19 restriction for the safety of Fijians and to contain the spread of the virus, the construction work was stopped. Mr. Speaker, sir, there are some works that remain pending and must be completed to get the stadium ready for local and international sporting events. This is phase 2, which includes installation of the EFL transformer, floodlights, ground upgrade, drainage work, ticket booth, and transport management study. The contractor also needs to fix the defects picked up by the project manager and CIU in the first phase. For example, the cupboard, sink bench, counter, sink for the 2 big kiosks were not done, incomplete tiling work, incomplete painting work, non-compliant disabled toilet specification, plastering work, and some works done but not as per the scope. Hence, all this needs to be rectified. The Ministry of Local Government, Construction Implementation Unit, and Bar Town Council are coordinating the implementation of the second phase, including the addressing of the defects that were found by the project manager. The Bar Town Council, with the team of special administrators, they are targeting to reopen Govind Park early next year, which is 2023. Thank you, Mr. Speaker, sir.
I thank the Honourable Minister.